EBEONADI FM, who will, as the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be.
Our government, whatever.
Street Report is here to make sense of it all. Street Report is causing social change across your streets,
Ada seperti hindi BAB na
in your community.
hal bakal
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Thank you.
The root of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin IFANYICHUKWU, EZEANUMBA the Force, every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on EBEONADI 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On EBEONADI corner 24/7, 24/7.
That's right. You are still tuned to EBEONADI 103.5 FM, and it's about time. You know, when Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo came to power as the governor of Anambra State, there were so much hope amongst the Anambra, people, looked at his, credentials, the fact that he was the CBN governor and his service was remarkable to most Nigerians. One of the major issues that was a disaster before he came to power is the issue of touts, on our streets, that is used in road taxation. Before he came to power, a lot of accidents, occurred as a result of the activities of touts, on our road. Yes, this is how I welcome you to this particular edition of Street Report on EBEONADI 103.5 FM with Mo Martin IFANYICHUKWU Ekezie EZEANUMBA the Force, the one that I call Metal. Yes, apart from that, the fact that Anambra, people looked forward to Soludo's administration because they hope that he will bring a solution to so many issues, during election. Some of the things said was considered music to the ear. Or, some of the promises made by politicians is considered music to the ear to Nigerians, most especially in Anambra during that, campaign, that election. Because some of the things said, sound, too good to be true at the end of the day. So everybody will be like, are you sure this is going to happen? Or he's just telling us this because he wants to, make us feel good so that we'll not vote for the person. For example, one of the promise, Governor Soludo made during campaign was that sounded too good to be true was, the issue of free education. Yes, this will remind me when, Ojo Zokalo contested for presidency in Nigeria, and, during the campaign period, he said a lot about one thing. He said one thing, and even the people who gathered to watch him started shouting. And that thing was, he said, I will give free education from, basic, from nursery to higher institution. And everybody started shouting like, wow, are you sure? Today in Anambra State, a lot of people can testify to the free basic education, that we have in place right now, courtesy of Soludo's administration. And if you ask me personally, I will suggest that this free education is sustained. There are other things, Governor Soludo will be giving credits for, but these and more will be the cause of our discussion on this particular edition of the Street Report on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. I remain the one and only Martin IFANYICHUKWU Ekezie EZEANUMBA the first. And I want you to stick around with this one, and I'll be right back, for us to dissect this. Stick with Ebona at the 103.5 FM. We'll be back.
What's happening, man? It's your boy Rough Cone in the building once again. You know how it is. Told y'all I'm the most versatile artist in the country, right? About to prove it one more time. You know what I mean? What's happening, man? It's your boy no set on the big, going in on this big head. All right, yeah. Okay, hey. I'm a lucky welcome. Family rapper, man, no one they go come see I could wait on how to go. They go how to go. I'm not welcome. My belly rapper, man, welcome. I know when they know I come see I know where go how to go. They go how to go. Chukume no meriwa, eriwa, eriwa, eriwa.
EBEONADI FM, Ifuna Sobuem.
Bless me properly. Get up before no be property. Now why I dey pray make you carry your blessing shower me. Oluwa bless me properly. I get up before no be property. Now why I dey pray make you carry your blessing shower me. Carry anointing cover me. Yeah, come on, this no go see me tata. Hey, come follow me where you are, where you are, where you are, where you are.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is what it is. It is Ebona, the 103.5 FM, and this is Street Report unfolding right now. Yes, though a lot of people will give, Governor Soludo credit to the extent in Anambra that are, people who will still argue about the fact, of what he must have done over time.